Protecting your eyes, monitor blue light filters. Title: Protecting your eyes, monitor blue light filters. Introduction. In today's digital age, we spend an increasing amount of time in front of screens, whether it's for work, entertainment, or communication. However, the prolonged exposure to screens and the blue light they emit can negatively impact our eyesight and overall well-being. To mitigate these risks, incorporating blue light filters into our monitors has become increasingly important. This article will delve into the significance of blue light filters and provide insights into their effectiveness and usage. Effects of blue light on vision. Extended exposure to blue light can lead to a range of eye-related issues. The most common effect is digital eye strain, also known as computer vision syndrome. Symptoms include dry eyes, eye fatigue, blurry vision, headaches, and neck and shoulder pain. Moreover, recent research suggests a potential link between blue light exposure and long-term risks such as age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts. Benefits of blue light filters. Blue light filters are designed to reduce the amount of blue light emitted by screens. Employing these filters can help protect your eyes and minimize the associated risks. Here are some benefits of blue light filters. 1. Reduces digital eye strain. Blue light filters significantly decrease the amount of blue light that reaches our eyes, thus reducing the strain on our visual system. By softening the intensity of blue light, filters provide a more comfortable viewing experience, particularly during extended screen time. 2. Improves sleep quality. Exposure to blue light in the evening can disrupt our sleep patterns, as it suppresses the production of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep. By filtering blue light, especially during nighttime device use, we can enhance our sleep quality and maintain a healthy circadian rhythm. 3. Protects eye health. Studies indicate that long-term exposure to blue light may lead to retinal damage, contributing to the development of AMD and cataracts. Blue light filters can help reduce the risk of these eye conditions by limiting our exposure to harmful blue light. Types of blue light filters. Various methods can be employed to filter blue light emitted by screens. Let's explore some of the commonly used options. 1. Software-based filters. These filters are customizable applications that can be installed on computers, smartphones, and tablets. They adjust the color temperature of your screen to reduce blue light GHT emissions. Examples include f.lux, night shift on Apple devices, and night light on Windows. 2. Screen protectors. These physical filters are transparent sheets that can be attached directly onto the device screen. They come with a blue light blocking layer, which helps to reduce the amount of blue light transmitted by the screen. 3. Blue light filtering glasses. These glasses incorporate specialized lenses that filter blue light emitted by screens. They can be worn while using devices, offering a convenient way to protect eyes from blue light. Combining preventive measures. In addition to incorporating blue light filters, there are other preventive measures to protect your eyes from prolonged screen time. Consider the following. 1. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, take a 20-second break and focus on something 20 feet away. This helps reduce eye strain and gives your eyes a chance to rest. 2. Maintain proper lighting. Ensure your working environment is well lit. Avoid using screens in the dark or in excessively bright areas, as both scenarios can strain your eyes. 3. Adjust display settings, dim the brightness of your screen to a comfortable level, and increase the text size if needed. These adjustments can help reduce eye fatigue. 4. Blink frequently. While using screens, we tend to blink less frequently, leading to dry eyes. Make a conscious effort to blink regularly to keep your eyes moist and prevent discomfort. Blue light filters, a must-have for eye protection. In today's modern world, we find ourselves spending an increasing amount of time glued to screens. Whether it's for work, entertainment, or staying connected with loved ones, our reliance on digital devices is undeniable. However, this prolonged exposure to screens, and the blue light they emit, can have a detrimental effect on our eyesight and overall well-being. To counteract these risks, incorporating blue light filters into our monitors has become increasingly important. In this article, we will explore the significance of blue light filters, their effectiveness, and how to use them to protect our eyes. To truly understand the importance of blue light filters, it's essential to grasp what blue light is and where it comes from. Blue light is a high-energy visible light that is emitted by various sources, including the sun, artificial lighting, and digital screens such as laptops, smartphones, and televisions. Extended exposure to blue light can lead to a range of eye-related issues, with the most common being digital eye strain, also known as computer vision syndrome. This condition is characterized by symptoms such as dry eyes, eye fatigue, blurry vision, headaches, and neck and shoulder pain. Additionally, recent research suggests a potential link between blue light exposure and long-term risks like age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts. Fortunately, using blue light filters can help mitigate these risks and protect our eyes from the harmful effects of blue light. Here are some of the benefits of incorporating blue light filters into our screens. 1. Reducing digital eye strain. Blue light filters significantly diminish the amount of blue light that reaches our eyes, thus alleviating the strain on our visual system. By softening the intensity of blue light, these filters provide a more comfortable viewing experience, especially during extended periods of screen use. 2. Improving sleep quality. Exposure to blue light in the evening can disrupt the production of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep. Filtering blue light, particularly during nighttime device use, can enhance our sleep quality and help maintain a healthy circadian rhythm. 3. Safeguarding eye health. Studies have shown that prolonged exposure to blue light may contribute to retinal damage, putting us at risk for conditions like AMD and cataracts. Blue light filters can